Hello and welcome. I am Yogesh, Faculty, Department of AIML, SIRT College, Bhopal. This is our first video of the software engineering series in which uh, today's topic is basic of software engineering, and by the end of this video you will understand software product and process. You will understand about what is software product and process completely. So let's get started. So, what is software engineering? Think of it like a building a house, but instead of using bricks and wood, we are working with code and logic. It's all about designing, creating, and maintaining. Software is a structured way. And why structured way? Well, software can get pretty complicated, just like a house need a blueprint to stand strong. Software need a plan to run smoothly. Picture this, if you try to build a house without a plan, it might collapse, right? Software is the same way. Without a clear approach, it could end up buggy, slow, or just unusable software. That's where software engineering comes in. It ensures we build software that reliable, efficient, and does what it mean to do. Okay. So now let's explain what makes software so special. First, it's intangible. And what is the meaning of intangible? You can't touch it like a physical object. It exists inside computer and devices. Pretty cool, right? Second is software is complex. Even a basic app has ton of moving part that needs to work together, like a puzzle, as seen in the image, like a puzzle where every piece has fit just right. If any of the piece is not correct position, that it is not completely make a puzzle. Okay. So finally, software is reproducible. Once you build it, you can copy it thousands of times. That's almost no extra work. But there is a tricky part. While copying is easy, make it perfect is tough. That's why planning is so important. So for the real world example, I am taking real world example here. Yes, and check out the slide. Music app, for example, it is intangible. Yes, it is. You can't hold it. It's complex with features like playlist and streaming, and it reproducible. Millions of people can download it. But if there is a glitch, everyone's app could crash. That's why engineers put it in the effort to make it rock solid. Okay. So now, next up, software process characteristic. The software process. This is the roadmap, and what software process is. If I am telling you, this is the roadmap we follow to create software. It usually includes steps like planning, designing, coding, testing, and maintenance. Think of it like baking a cake. You mix the ingredient, bake it, then decorate. Software need a similar sequence to go from an idea to a working product. Also, teamwork is a huge in this process. Software isn't usually a solo gig. It takes designer, developer, tester, and even feedback from the user to make it awesome. It's like a sports team. Everyone got a role. And here the cool part that the process is adaptable. Sometimes we'll loop back to tweak things based on the feedback or new ideas. It's not straight shot from start to finish. It's a cycle improvement. Imagine like a calculator app. You would plan the features like addition, subtraction, and design the layout. code it, test it to catch error, and maybe later update it. Multiplication, each step build on the last. Now, now next is, why go through all this step and why process matter. सिंपल सिंपल सैंपल अब मैं देखता हूँ. A good process prevent disaster. Without one, project can spiral, costing too much, taking forever or failing entirely. A solid plan need everyone on track. For instance, skip testing and you might launch a buggy app that annoys user, or skipping plan and you could build feature nobody wants. A process catch these problem earlier. Now, think of a Netflix real world example. I'm taking real world example. Netflix with million of user, they can't risk crashes or bug. They strict process to ensure the app keeping improving and stay reliable no matter how many people are streaming. Okay, this is the real world example of the why processes matters. For the I'm taking example of the Netflix. So now conclusion, let's wrap it up. Software engineering is about software the smart way with a clear process. Software products are intangible, complex, reproducible, pretty unique stuff. The software project guide us from idea to finished product, and it's flexible and team driven. Here's some point. Can you think of a time a piece of software let you down? That might have go wrong the process. Hold into this thought, and we will dig deeper in this series. Okay. Now, now next time, the next video will explore software process model, that like a waterfall model and prototype model. That's uh, how they play out in real project. Can't wait to see you there. Okay, next. Thank you.